Well, it's Tuesday evening and getting ready to head off to spin class. Something that I've been doing since, well, I think the first year I started was 1996. So it's been a while, it's been a minute. Anyways, it's one of the evenings that I absolutely look forward to the most. I get to get with all my good friends again, ones that I've been doing a lot of training with for many years, some that are new, which is super cool. But yeah, so anyways, I love spin class. It makes us work really hard, and it's something that I'm a huge advocate for, which is no distractions when it comes to getting in your speed work. And yes, I know that Wahoo is great, and I know that all these programs that people have is fantastic, but quite honestly, there's nothing more fun than being able to get with a group of friends and really attack the bike that can be encouraged with all those around you. So yeah, it's the fun part of being able to do it with friends. So yeah, that's what I love so much, and looking forward to it. Loading up the bike, and we'll be heading out here shortly. So you'll see some fun stuff coming up here.
Let's go. Oh, the man. Let's go. Woo!
Yeah, the cookies are
Come on, Justin.
Yeah, you doing it? I'm going to ski lodge.
Let's go! Come on. Turn. Come on, 130. Turn. Let's go!